how to see library tab on YouTube. First, you need to open the app. So one thing you have to know that there is no specific button for the library option. So after the update, it has been changed. As you can see at the bottom, you can see different tabs right here. The first one is home, then shorts. Then this plus icon will allow you to create any kind of videos or shorts. Then there is subscription. If you go there, all of your subscribed channels videos will be there. And finally, this icon that is called you. So if you tap on the last icon, you will automatically be taken to your library. So you can see all of your watch history right here and your playlist if you've created your playlists and your downloaded videos as well. Once you do that, this should be your library layout. But for some reason, if you don't see this, then you want to make sure that your YouTube is up to date. So go to your Play Store and search for YouTube. Then if there is this open button, but you have update instead of open, then you might want to update the app because the older version does not have that feature. So make sure to update your app. But if that still doesn't work, you want to go to YouTube and clear its cache. So just go to its app info and go to storage, then clear all the junk files that might be causing the problem. So that's about it for today's video. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.